Whenever you dedicate yourself to something, you have to do it 100%, and that includes the three-legged stool or the three-sided triangle of family, civilian life, and the Navy career. I have a very supportive employer who is extremely helpful in allowing me to take the time off to do my Navy mission. I work as in-house counsel at a Fortune 500 company in Richmond, Virginia, and I support currently the research, development, and engineering, as well as the regulatory affairs departments. The skill sets between my civilian and Navy careers translate fairly well to each other. Being an in-house lawyer is much like being a staff judge advocate. I was also a litigator in-house, and I've been a litigator for much of my Navy career too. Well, to be a military judge, obviously you need a litigation background. You need to do well in your litigation tours. I also was a litigator in my civilian capacity as well. I was in a law firm for a few years as a litigator, and also served in a litigation role in-house at my company. What I like about being a judge is that you get to apply 23 years of litigation experience to do justice, and that is our role in the courtroom. It's not to be an advocate for either side, but to ensure that both parties get a fair trial. Yeah, I think if I were to give advice to junior officers, I would say follow the core values, commit to them. Honor, courage, and commitment means something, and if you conduct yourself that way throughout your career, it'll stand you in good stead for a long and prosperous career. The opportunities to serve in the Navy are tremendous. You will get to go places and do things that you never thought you'd be able to do anywhere else. My favorite Navy experience was serving on an aircraft carrier for 2 years and forward deploying to the Mediterranean and the Middle East, and participating in the Bosnian operations back in the late 90s. And to me, deploying in the service of your country and being a representative of your nation was a great honor.